Hi everybody, this is CR number 17, helper video number 3. It says, which of the following relations is a function? Okay, what we have to remember is when we are looking for a function, which we are looking for is a function, we are focusing on our x values or our inputs. Remember, for each input, there is one and only one output. So we have to remember that our inputs all have to be different, and our inputs are the first number in each one of these ordered pairs because that's our x value. So if we look at A, we have a 9, a -7, a 3, and a -3. As soon as we see that all of our inputs are different, we know that is a function. But I'm just going to go ahead and prove to you that point based on the other ones. This one for B, we have a 2, an 8, a 5, an 8. Okay, well the 8 here and the 8 here are the same. So this is not a function because the 8 is going to a 7 and the 8 is going to a -4. So that becomes a 1-to-2 correspondence. Let's look at C. We have a 6, a 0, and a 6. Once again, the 6 goes to a -4 and to a 3. The 0 goes to a -2 and to a -1. So this becomes a 1-to-2 correspondence, not a function. If we look at D, we have a -8, a 7, a 6, and a 7. Well, since we have a 7 here and a 7 here, and they go to a 7 and a 6, that becomes a 1-to-2 correspondence, not a function. And last but not least, we have a 3, a 4, a 0, and a 4. Well, this 4 goes to a -1. This 4 goes to a 5, 1-to-2 correspondence, not a function. And that's why A is your answer. Good luck.